Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。难免呢，我们会有生气的时候嘛。那很生气的时候呢，就会想要讲生气的话。今天不教生气的话，只是要教说 Are you mad? Are you angry? Why are you angry? Don't be angry. You know, we're just trying to cool down people's mind when they're angry. So these are the terms we're going to teach today. 好不好？OK。
發現黑幕。
發現黑幕。And then 如果說那個人說Yeah, I'm angry. 那你要說別生氣了嘛。You want to, calm that person down. Say, you know what? Don't be angry. Cool down. 別生氣。
唔好發現咧。
唔好發現咧。OK， 所以發現就是生氣的意思。
那海陸腔呢？
海陸腔不一樣，
可以講不一樣的講法。
OK。
莫不阿咧，
這差很多。Okay, this is a different dialect. We like to teach you the different dialects of Hakka, and this sounds different when you say "Don't be angry" in 海陸。再講一次。
莫不阿咧，
莫不阿咧，
也是生氣的意思。
不阿咧就是生氣哦。
怎麼講？就是很生氣啊， 然後就會臉臭臭那種。莫不阿咧。
那視線的話就是 fucking OK。那你剛剛講的沒錯啊，有時候說怎麼臭着一張臉呢？我們常會這樣子講 Why do you look so upset? Why do you have a poker face? 怎麼臭一張臉那樣子？
有面粗粗的呢？
面粗粗的，面粗粗的粗面好吃啊，跟炸醬面拌在一起真好吃。
不是那個面哦，
不是那個面。
我說的面是指臉哦。
我想說
臉臭臭的咯。
聽到食物我沒有臭臉，我現在很開心。再講一次 That means why do you look so upset?
有面粗粗的呢。
有面粗粗的呢。那說開心一點啦。
較歡喜掉誒。
較歡喜掉嘞。
較歡喜掉誒。
較歡喜掉誒，這聽起來有點像廣東話，不知道為什麼。這就開心一點嘛。Cheer up, that's what it means, that last line right there. Let's go ahead and review these terms. 你在生氣嗎？ Are you angry?
發現黑幕。
發現黑幕。And then you say, don't be mad, 別生氣了。
唔好發現咧。
唔好發現咧。Or in 海陸 dialect.
莫不阿咧。
莫
不阿咧。
莫不阿咧。Okay, and then you say, why do you have a poker face? 怎麼臭着一張臉呢？
有面粗粗的呢。
有面粗粗的呢。And finally, cheer up, 開心一點啦。
較歡喜掉誒。
較歡喜掉誒，較歡喜這樣播啦哈。All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
案子誰張來了？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.